Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese stir-fried noodles. First up, let's cut the carrots. Here we make the slice. Shitake mushroom. Here remove the bottom. And the veggies, let's cut the bottom, and we also make slice. Let's take some egg. Then I have the small egg because the chicken egg only one left. But this is more nutritious. See how big it is and how small this is. But even though it's small, the nutritious in this quail egg is more than the regular chicken egg. And beat it. Now the noodles in. Yeah, now it's ready. Let's cool the noodle down in the cold water. Let's add some oil to prevent the noodles get sticking together. Here we go. Here I'm adding sesame oil, so it gives a flavor and aroma to the noodles. It's more tasty. Let's on the heat. Oil in. Let's pull an egg. Now let's put veggies, shitake mushrooms, carrots, once you see the carrots color change to a little bit lighter, and now the noodles in. After we stir about 2 minutes, let's start to add the veggies. This is easy to cook, so we put the last. Soy sauce in. And dark soy sauce in. Stir it. Mix everything together. Hi guys, now is the eating time. Let's try the noodles. Wow, it's so yummy. The noodles itself It's so chewy, and all the flavors are in the noodles.